Class 8 Algebra Exercise 3D. Here in this chapter we will use this formula: a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is our question: a plus 2b plus 5c whole square. So we have to apply in this a square plus b square. So in place of b, 2b we have to write it. C, in place of c we have to write 5c. 2ab, so a into b, that means a, b plus 2b plus 2bc plus 2ac. After this we can write a square, 2 2s are 4, b square, 5 5s are 25, c square plus 3 2 2s are 4ab, 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20bc, 5 2s are 10ac. Now in this question, 2a minus b plus c whole square, a square b square c square plus 2ab. So ab, in place of b we have to write minus b because minus is written here. But first of all keep it in bracket. Minus I have written a square b square c square plus minus minus 4ab plus minus minus 2bc, and here plus it was, so plus 4ac. Same way you can see here in question number 3, a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. So how to write it? A square b square c square plus 2ab. So b write in, keep in bracket. Here also b and c keep in bracket, c keep it in bracket. Plus minus minus 4ab minus minus plus 12bc plus minus minus 6ac. 2a minus 5b minus 7c whole square. Same way, a square b square c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. What to do? Minus, if minus is written, so we have to multiply and write our answer. Here also a minus b minus c whole square. We have to think at a, b and c whole square. A square b square c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Whatever the numbers are written, we have to write it here. But first of all keep in bracket so that we can multiply the symbols and all. And rest whatever answer comes, that is our answer. Just opposite of that. A square b square c square 2ab 2bc 2ac is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. So here as we have this one, we can break it 2x whole square, 3y whole square, 4z whole square, and apply that whatever things you have got. Now here also we have got one trick how to solve this. A, B, C, write it as it is, and then find out here we have got minus in both the numbers, and what is common here in these two? We can easily find the common alphabet is Z. That means in place of Z we have to write minus and other side plus. Look here in question number 4, questions we have got 9, that is 3x, 4 that means 16, that means 4y, 4 that means 2z. Write as it is. Then a, b, c I have written here. Now I have to find out where to put minus. I saw here in this question, here and this place we have got minus. So what is common? X. That means in front of x you have to write minus and other side plus. Square is here, right? Same number twice. Look here, 25, so 5, 4, so 2, 9, so 3. Now a, b, c I have written. How to find out where to apply minus? I found that in these two y I got it common, so in place of y I have written here minus. Same way you can solve question number 6. 7 number 99 whole square. So we can write 100 minus 1 whole square. Here we have to apply this formula: a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 100 plus 2, whatever numbers are written, you may easily get it. If 995 whole square, so 1000 minus 5 whole square. Try to find it out. 107 whole square. So 100 plus 7 whole square. A plus b whole square we have to use. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Apply this. Whatever answer comes, you have to add it.